This answer is powered by Sqaurespace.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
This one, select this, and then we would be removing the border from the form so it looks like these lines. And so I've made a demo of this here. We've created like a drop down with a boundary, labeled with country as well. So we begin with finding out which selector or element actually controls the border for this form. And in our case, we look for this class form item, although we can use field select as well. And then we are trying to select this select element. So we would go here and we would write our code like this. We would say, press this. So we would say, let's say form item. And then we'd say select. And then we'd say border, let's say 0. And that's it. So this controls the border that you see around that element. So all you need to do is your selector, depending on form might be different, but all you need to do is copy this code and then paste it into Squarespace, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Okay, now on Squarespace, what you want to do is you want to go to Design. You want to go to Custom CSS. I'm going to paste the code we just made. And what you want to do is label it as well, so you know how you're controlling your elements. Label it like so. And then you just click Save, and that's it. Hope this answers your question. Thanks for checking this answer out. If you have any other questions about Squarespace, just visit Sqaurespace.com and we'll take care of you.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. Ask Sqaurespace.com.